Walking is a cornerstone of cardiovascular health for adults over 50. However, a daily walking habit trains your body to move in exactly one specific direction, straight ahead. When you constantly move forward, the muscles and reflexes required for sideways or backward motion remain dormant. This leaves you vulnerable to lateral trips or a sudden slip on rigid pavement. In this state, a single misstep on a cracked sidewalk can threaten your physical independence. Practicing Tai Chi provides the multi-directional support that forward walking completely lacks. Adding these 5 specific movements to your day lubricates stiff joints and retrains your balance to prevent fall-related injuries. You only need a 6 by 6 foot space and a pair of flat shoes. Throughout this routine, move strictly within a comfortable, pain-free range of motion. Preserving your physical freedom after 50 relies on strategy rather than brute force. By upgrading the actual geometry of your movement, you learn to master your environment instead of merely surviving it. Step 1 is the commencing form. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly inhale as your hands float up to shoulder height, and then exhale gently while sinking your hips and lowering your hands back down. This rhythmic diaphragmatic breathing triggers your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural rest and digest switch. This process dilates your blood vessels and can lower systolic blood pressure right on the spot. Step 2 is parting the wild horse's mane. Smoothly shift your entire body weight diagonally from one leg to the other. Simultaneously sweep one hand upward diagonally while the other presses down past your hip. Decades of sitting and linear walking can lock your hip joints into a restricted state. This forces your knees to twist unnaturally to absorb the impact of the pavement, which accelerates cartilage wear. Shifting your weight diagonally forces your hip sockets to rotate through their full natural range. This deep movement stimulates the production of synovial fluid, a natural lubricant that bathes and protects your knee cartilage. These 2 steps transition the body from a rigid state into a calm, internally lubricated system, ready to absorb the shocks of real-world movement. Step 3 is Repulse Monkey. Step backward lightly, 1 foot at a time. While stepping, push one hand forward and draw the other hand back to your hip in a continuous flowing cycle. This controlled backward stepping retrains your proprioception, your brain's awareness of your limbs in space. It forces your brain to map the space behind you without looking, activating the deep stabilizer muscles in your ankles and calves. Step 4 is Single Whip. Open your stance wide and root your feet. Form a hook shape with one hand, sweep your other hand across your chest in a strong clearing motion, and tuck your pelvis under. Long-distance walking can fatigue the deep back muscles, causing your shoulders to slump and your head to project forward. This habitual hunching compresses your thoracic spine and restricts your lung capacity. Single Whip creates a rotational axis throughout your spine. Expanding your arms engages the upper back and decompresses the lumbar vertebrae. This structural realignment restores upper body integrity and relieves lower back pressure, creating a supple foundation for daily walks. Together, Repulse Monkey and Single Whip act as a structural scaffold, protecting your posture and balance from the ground up. Step 5 is Wave Hands Like Clouds. Maintain a solid, wide stance while rotating your waist, tracing gentle, overlapping circles with your hands. Forward momentum keeps the torso relatively rigid. This linear movement misses the critical twisting required to engage the deep core stabilizers that protect the spine. This side-to-side spiraling engages your deep transverse abdominis and oblique muscles. This constant muscular activation acts as a gentle internal massage for your abdominal cavity. This motion improves blood flow to your digestive system and boosts metabolic efficiency. Clinical insights suggest this core activation is particularly effective at managing the visceral fat that wraps around internal organs after age 50. This twisting mechanism turns your waist into a powerful axis of health. It stabilizes your midsection and ensures you move through the world with a sturdy, centered posture. You now have a 5-move blueprint for joint health, fall prevention, and total physical freedom. Combine your walking routine with the fluid, multi-directional protection of Tai Chi. This alliance pairs cardiovascular endurance with the agility required for lifelong independence. Add 10 to 15 minutes of these 5 movements to your routine, either right after waking up or before bed. Decline is not an inevitability. Save this video as a refresher, share this framework with your family, and step into your best years with absolute physical mastery and confidence.